The world watched with bated breath. Sha'Carri Richardson, the American sprinter, was back. She had returned to the Olympic stage after a tumultuous period. The 2024 Paris Olympics were her chance to show her strength. This was her moment to rewrite her story. Richardson was ready. She had trained relentlessly, pushing past doubts and setbacks. Her eyes held a fierce determination, a hunger for victory. The world knew her name. Now they would witness her rise. Paris awaited. The stadium buzzed with anticipation as she stepped onto the track. The roar of the crowd was deafening. All eyes were on her, the star who had risen from the ashes. She was a beacon of hope, a symbol of resilience. This was her time to shine. The City of Lights was ready for the games. Excitement filled the air. The streets of Paris buzzed with anticipation as people from all corners of the globe gathered to witness history in the making. The city, known for its romance and charm, had transformed into a vibrant hub of athletic prowess and international camaraderie. The Eiffel Tower stood tall, a symbol of strength and beauty. As dawn broke, its silhouette against the morning sky was a sight to behold. By night, it dazzled with fireworks, a beacon of hope and celebration. This iconic landmark was more than just a structure. It was a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of the games. The world had come together to celebrate athleticism. Athletes from diverse backgrounds, each with their own unique stories and dreams, converged in the Olympic Village. The air was thick with the scent of possibility and the sound of different languages, all united by a common goal. Flags from every nation waved proudly, a colorful tapestry of global unity. Among them was a young woman ready to etch her name in history. Her eyes, filled with determination, reflected the countless hours of training and sacrifice. She was not just competing for herself, but for everyone who believed in her. Her journey was a testament to resilience and unwavering dedication. Sha'Carri Richardson had overcome immense obstacles to reach this point. Her path had been anything but easy, marked by personal and professional challenges. Yet, she had faced each hurdle with grace and tenacity, emerging stronger each time. Her story was one of triumph over adversity, inspiring countless others to chase their dreams. Her journey had been fraught with challenges. Training in solitude, often in harsh conditions, she had pushed her limits time and again. The rain, the cold, the loneliness, none of it had deterred her. Instead, it had forged her into a formidable competitor ready to take on the world. But she had emerged stronger, her spirit unbroken. Each victory, no matter how small, was a testament to her indomitable will. She stood tall, a beacon of hope and perseverance, ready to face whatever came her way. Her spirit was unyielding, her resolve unshakable. Paris was her proving ground. The city, with its rich history and vibrant culture, was the perfect backdrop for her quest. The Olympic banners fluttered in the breeze, a constant reminder of the greatness that awaited. The Stade de France, grand and imposing, stood ready to witness her moment of glory. This was where she would reclaim her narrative. With every step, she was rewriting her story, turning past struggles into future triumphs. The stadium, filled with expectant eyes, was her stage. The world watched, waiting to see her shine. The atmosphere was electric. The energy was palpable, a mix of nerves and excitement. Every cheer, every clap added to the crescendo of anticipation. It was a moment suspended in time where anything was possible. The crowd, a sea of faces, held their breath. Each person, regardless of nationality, was united in their support. The collective heartbeat of the crowd echoed through the stadium, a powerful reminder of the unity that sports can bring. The starting pistol was a spark that ignited the flame of competition. The race was on. In that split second, years of preparation and sacrifice culminated in a burst of speed and power. The athletes surged forward, each stride a testament to their dedication and hard work. Every muscle in Richardson's body strained for victory. Her focus was unwavering, her determination absolute. Each movement was a symphony of strength and precision, a dance of pure athleticism. She was in her element, a force of nature on the track. She was a force to be reckoned with. As she crossed the finish line, the roar of the crowd was deafening. She had done it. She had proven to herself and the world that she was unstoppable. Her victory was not just a personal triumph, but a beacon of hope for all who dared to dream. Life had thrown Sha'Carri Richardson curveballs. A suspension in 2021 had threatened to derail her dreams. The weight of expectations had been heavy, but she refused to be defined by her past. She rose above the negativity. She dug deep, finding strength within. Her love for running fueled her. She trained harder, pushing her limits. This was her chance to prove her doubters wrong. The world would see her for who she truly was, a champion. Every stride was a testament to her resilience. She had faced her demons and emerged victorious. The Paris Olympics were her redemption song. She was ready to silence her critics and inspire millions. Her time had come. The 4x100-meter relay was more than just a race. It was a test of endurance, a measure of teamwork, and a display of sheer willpower. Each athlete knew that their performance was not just for themselves, but for their team, their country, and the legacy they hoped to leave behind. It was a symphony of speed, precision, and trust. Every step, every breath, every heartbeat was in perfect harmony. The baton, a simple piece of metal, became a symbol of unity, passed from one hand to another with the utmost care and precision. The American team, a quartet of powerful women, stood ready. They had trained for this moment, pushing their bodies to the limit, overcoming injuries, and perfecting their technique. Their journey to this point had been filled with challenges, but they faced them together, as a team. Their eyes were locked, their bond unbreakable. They communicated without words, understanding each other's strengths and weaknesses. Their trust in one another was absolute, forged through countless hours of training and shared experiences. They were a force to be reckoned with. Each woman brought her unique talent to the team, creating a powerful synergy. Their confidence was palpable, their determination unwavering. They knew that together they were unstoppable. The baton passed from hand to hand, a symbol of unity and shared purpose. Each exchange was a moment of intense focus, a brief but critical juncture where the race could be won or lost. The precision of their movements was a testament to their dedication and practice. Each runner gave their all, pushing their bodies to the limit. Their muscles burned, their lungs screamed for air, but they pushed through the pain. They ran not just with their legs, but with their hearts, driven by a desire to achieve greatness. The crowd roared, their energy fueling the team's every stride. The cheers and shouts of encouragement created a wave of sound that carried the runners forward. The support of the fans was a powerful force, a reminder that they were not alone in their quest for victory. This was a race for glory, the final leg, the moment of truth. Every ounce of energy, every bit of strength was poured into those final strides. The finish line was in sight, and with it, the promise of triumph. The weight of a nation rested on Richardson's shoulders. She knew the significance of this moment, the hopes and dreams that were riding on her performance. Her focus was razor-sharp, her determination unyielding. She took the baton, her eyes fixed on the finish line. Every step was a testament to her strength and speed. She ran with a purpose, driven by the knowledge that she was part of something greater than herself. Her legs pumped, a blur of motion. The ground seemed to disappear beneath her feet as she surged forward. Every muscle in her body worked in perfect unison, propelling her towards the finish line. The gap closed with every stride. Victory was within reach. With one final burst of speed, she crossed the finish line, her arms raised in triumph. The race was over, but the memory of their united effort would last forever. Section 5, the look of determination. The world held its breath. The atmosphere was electric, charged with anticipation and excitement. Every eye was glued to the track, every heart pounding in unison. It was a moment that transcended sport, a moment that captured the essence of human spirit and determination. Cameras zoomed in on Richardson's face as she prepared for the 100-meter final. Her expression was a study in concentration, a portrait of sheer willpower. The world watched, mesmerized by the intensity of her gaze. Her eyes were filled with an intensity that sent shivers down spines. It was a look that spoke volumes, a look that conveyed 1,000 unspoken words. It was the look of someone who had faced countless challenges and emerged stronger each time. It was the look of a warrior, a predator stalking its prey. It was a look that promised victory, a look that left no room for doubt. It was a look that inspired and intimidated in equal measure. The stare, as it came to be known, went viral. Social media exploded with images and videos of Richardson's intense gaze. It was shared, liked, and commented on by millions around the world. It was a meme, a gif, a symbol of unwavering focus. It became a rallying cry for those who believed in the power of determination. It was a reminder that with enough focus and drive, anything is possible. It captured the world's imagination. People from all walks of life found inspiration in Richardson's stare. It was a moment that united people, a moment that reminded everyone of the power of the human spirit. In that moment, Richardson wasn't just an athlete, she was a symbol of resilience, a beacon of hope. She embodied the spirit of perseverance and the relentless pursuit of excellence. She was a force of nature. Her presence on the track was like a storm gathering strength, ready to unleash its power. She was unstoppable, a force to be reckoned with. The world marveled at her intensity. Spectators watched in awe, captivated by her determination. It was a moment that would be remembered for years to come. This was a woman on a mission. She had a goal, and nothing was going to stand in her way. Her focus was unbreakable, her resolve unshakable. She had overcome adversity to reach this point. Every setback had only made her stronger. Every challenge had only fueled her determination. She was a testament to the power of perseverance. Now, she was ready to claim her crown. She had trained for this moment, prepared for this race. She was ready to give it her all, to leave everything on the track. The starting pistol fired, and she was off like a shot. Her determination propelled her forward, her focus unwavering. It was a race that would go down in history, a race that showcased the true power of the human spirit. Section 6. A Champion's Heart. The 100 meters is a sprint to the finish. It's a test of raw speed, power, and will. Richardson exploded out of the blocks. Her form was flawless, her stride powerful. The crowd erupted, urging her forward. She crossed the finish line first. The time didn't matter. In that moment, she was invincible. The weight of the world lifted from her shoulders. She had done it. Sha'Carri Richardson was an Olympic champion. Tears streamed down her face as she celebrated. This victory was about more than just a medal. It was about redemption, resilience, and the power of the human spirit. She had stared down her demons and come out on top. Section 7. Golden Moment. The medal ceremony was a moment of pure joy. The American flag rose high as the national anthem played. Richardson stood on the podium, her eyes shining brighter than the gold medal around her neck. She had inspired millions with her story. Her journey was a testament to the power of perseverance. She had shown the world that anything is possible with hard work, dedication, and an unwavering belief in oneself. The stadium erupted in applause. This was a victory for the history books. Richardson had cemented her place among the greats. She was a role model, a beacon of hope, and an inspiration to all. Section 8. A Legacy Ignited. Sha'Carri Richardson's impact transcended sports. She had ignited a movement. People from all walks of life rallied behind her. Her authenticity resonated with millions. She was a voice for the voiceless. She used her platform to speak out against injustice and inequality. She embraced her individuality, inspiring others to do the same. She was more than just an athlete, she was a cultural icon. Her message was clear: embrace your truth, fight for what you believe in, and never give up on your dreams. She was a force for change, a symbol of hope, and a reminder that anything is possible. Section 9. Inspiration for a Generation. The world watched in awe as Sha'Carri Richardson made history. Her story resonated with people from all walks of life. She was a beacon of hope, a symbol of resilience, and an inspiration to a generation. Her journey taught valuable lessons about perseverance, self-belief, and the power of the human spirit. She showed the world that it is okay to stumble, to fall, as long as you rise again stronger than before. Sha'Carri Richardson's legacy will live on long after the roar of the crowd has faded. She is a reminder that anything is possible if you dare to dream big and chase your goals with unwavering passion.